My dear students and my dear friends, today we are in the second part of exercise 4.1 and the chapter is quadratic equation. Let us start with question number 5. Let us read the question. There are some questions in question number 5, some subparts. Let us take the first subpart. Here the question is, under what condition, number 1 is, this equation and this equation will have a common root. Similar question we solved in question number 4, isn't it? So here, let us consider it in that way. Let alpha be the common root of both the equations, both the quadratic equations. Okay, therefore if alpha is a common root, means alpha is a solution. In a quadratic equation we know that there are two solutions. Okay, here one of the two solution, one solution is alpha. Okay, let us, if the value of x or a solution is alpha, if in place of x if we put alpha, the result is always going to be 0. Here also the same thing. So let us write what we get. Therefore 3 alpha square plus 4 m alpha plus 2 equal to 0, and if we substitute there, twice alpha square plus 3 alpha minus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, now here we shall try to solve alpha square and alpha by the method called cross multiplication method. For that, what we do, we write the coefficients of alpha square, alpha, and the constant term. Okay, it is just like the solving linear equation into variable by cross multiplication method, same. Okay, so let us write the coefficients of alpha square and alpha, then the constant. We solved, if you have doubt, in question number 4 we discuss it in a broader manner. Okay, there in linear equation how we solve, that part is discussed. Please go through that video also where question number 4 is solved. Okay, so let us write the coefficients. 3, then here 4m, then this is 2, then here it is 2, it is 3, it is minus 2. Okay, so here it starts with 3 and 2, so here also you close with 3 and 2. Always this is the rule. If you start with this coefficient, end with this. So here, therefore, what is alpha square? Here let us find alpha square, and here we will find alpha. Okay, now whenever we will find alpha square, that is this, we shall hide this coefficient, then here we cross multiply. So if we multiply this is minus 8m, in the middle, in all the ratios, all the fraction, in the middle there will be minus sign. Then here 3 to the 6. Okay, then let us come to this point. Here these are the coefficients of alpha, so let us hide them. Here we multiply. 2 to the 4 minus 2 into 3, 6, minus 6. So minus 6, it will be plus 6. And in the denominator, this cross multiplication will do. 3 3 ja 9. Then minus 4 to ja 8m. Here also let us repeat the same thing. 9 minus 8m, always. Okay, same thing will happen. Okay, then what we do, here 4 plus 6 is 10. This is 10. 9 minus 8m. Okay, what we do, let us substitute here alpha square. So this square, this is 10, 9 minus 8m, its square, alpha square. The value of alpha, the expression for alpha is this, so its square we have taken, and this is minus 8m minus 6, and this is 9 minus 8m. Okay, so this is 10 square is how much? 100. Got it? Okay, now here it is, okay, let me solve it. Whole square minus 8m minus 6, 9 minus 8m. Okay, let us simplify it further. You see, my dear students, here there is one term containing 9 minus 8m and it is square. Let us, what we'll do, let us remove one term from here. Okay, just like this. If in one side x is there and another side x square is there, we can remove this x. If we remove x, it will be 1 and this square is removed. It is also like this. So it becomes 100, and here it will be 9 minus 8m, 9 minus 8m, and here it is minus 8m minus 6, and it will be 1 because we have removed it. Let us cross multiply this into this. 9 minus 8m minus 8m minus 6. 100 into 1 is 100. Let us multiply this. 72m minus 54 minus plus 64m square plus 48m 100. Then this term let us write 64m square. Their sum, let us subtract 24, isn't it? So it is minus 24m, this minus 54 and minus 100. 64m square minus 24m minus 154 is equal to 0. Okay, so from here what can we take common? Okay, from here let us take 2 common. Okay, if 2 is taken common, what will be left? 32m square, and here 12m minus 77 equal to 0. So from here let us take this 2 in this side. 32m square minus 12m minus 77 is equal to 0 divided by 2 is 0. Now what we do? We have to do the middle term splitting here. Okay, let us factorize this. We have to rub this part. Okay. Now dear students, here we have written the last equation what we have obtained there. We have to factorize it. So for this what we do? Let us write the format. This is very easy thing. M minus 77 is equal to 0. Okay, it is minus sign, so here also you have to put minus. Let us multiply these two. So 32 into 77. Let us multiply, then we will find the prime factorization. This is 11. All right. Now we have to make 12. Okay. 56 and this is 44. 56 minus 44, isn't it? 56 and this is 44. The difference is 12. You can check. 32m square minus 56m plus 44m minus 77 is equal to 0. Let us make pair. Here what is common? 8m common. So 4m minus 7, and here what is common? Obviously 11 is common. 4m minus 7 is equal to 0. So here what is common? 4m minus 7. 8m plus 11 is equal to 0. Product of these two is 0. So either this is 0 or this is 0. So either 4m minus 7 is equal to 0 or 8m plus 11 is equal to 0. So it becomes 4m is equal to 7. So m equal to how much? 7 by 4. And here let us simplify it. 8m is equal to how much? Minus 11. So m is equal to minus 11 by 8. So therefore the two values of m, either this or this, minus 11 by 8. Okay, now let us start number 2. Here question is again, under what condition one root of this will be n times of the other. That means one root is whatever and the next root will be n times of the first one. So let us consider, let the two roots be one be alpha and next will be n times of it, so n alpha. Okay, now here for this given quadratic equation, we know that sum of the roots, what it is? Minus b by a. So here alpha, if we take alpha common, what is left here? 1 plus n minus b by a. Okay, let us keep it for here for some time. Let us see what happens. Okay, let us find alpha. Let us see what happens here. Actually minus b, then this a into, this is multiplied here, in this side it will divide, you know this very well. Okay, then also here we have applied the sum of the roots. Then let us apply the product of the roots. The roots are alpha and n alpha. Product of the roots is how much? C by a. So this is n alpha square equal to c by a. This is very simple sum, isn't it? N, what is alpha square? 8 square, that is minus b into a into 1 plus n, 8 square is equal to c by a. Now if we take its square, so it is n, sorry, this is n, and this is minus b square is plus b square a square 1 plus n square is equal to c by a. One more step we want to do. Okay, here what we do, let us take this a, b, c all this term and keep n in this side. So what it is, n into 1 plus n whole square, then this is c by a into this a square is here in the denominator, it will go in the numerator, b square will come down, b square. Okay, so I think we can complete here. This one let us start. Let us simplify. A square and a will get cancelled. So this is AC, and here it is b square. So AC by b square will be how much? N divided by its square. That is 1 plus n or n plus 1, whatever you want, you can write. So this is the condition. Alright. Now let us take third one. Here under what condition? One root of this will be twice the other. Okay. This is just like the last question, or we can say that this is easier than the last question. So here twice the other, two roots are one is alpha, next will be twice alpha. So let us consider, let the two roots be alpha and twice alpha. So again same thing we will apply. Okay, same concept, that is sum of the roots alpha plus twice alpha. What is the sum of the roots? It is minus b by a. That is minus, we have given b. What is b here? Minus b by a is 1. So this is 3 alpha. 3 alpha is minus plus p. So here we are obtaining alpha equal to this p by 3. Correct? Okay, next we shall apply product of the zeros, product of the roots. C by a, c is q, c by a is 1. So this is twice alpha square equal to q. Then what we do, let us substitute the value of alpha. Alpha is p by 3. So 2 into p by 3 square is equal to, this is q. So what we are obtaining actually, twice p square, 3 square is 9 q. So if we cross multiply, we are obtaining 2p square equal to 9q. Okay, after this we cannot simplify further. So this is the condition. Okay. Now we have taken number 4. Here again let us read the whole question. Under what condition the roots of this ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 will be in the ratio m:n? So the roots are in the ratio m:n. So let the two roots be as they are in the ratio m:n. So one is suppose m alpha and next will be suppose n alpha. Now if we find their ratio, you see alpha will get cancelled, the ratio is m:n. Okay, now again the same concept, sum of the zeros. So here let us apply sum of the roots. Sum of the roots. Okay, and this root plus this root. What is the formula here? Minus b by a. So from here let us take alpha common. What will remain? Minus b by a. So let us find alpha from here, minus b a, and here we'll get m plus. It is multiplied, it will be dividing. You know this thing very nicely. Okay, next also product of the roots, m alpha into n alpha, c by a is equal to c by a. So this is m n alpha square is equal to c by a. What we'll do, we shall substitute this alpha here, this here from here. Okay, m n alpha square. So that is minus b by a m plus n its square. All the sums are similar. Okay, that's why they put in question, all the question number 5. So m n, this is b square, this is minus b square, so it will be plus b square only. A square m plus n whole square is equal to c by a. Next what we will do, let us keep m and n in the left hand side, a b c on the other side. So it will be m n, then m plus n whole square, c by a into this a square will go there, then b square will come here. Okay, last line. So here let us write this line. Here it will be, if we cancel this, so it is ac by this is b square. AC by a will get cancelled, so 1a will remain here, ac by b square, and this term is equal to this term. what is the term? Mn by m plus n whole square. Mn by m plus n whole square. Is it okay? This is the condition for this equation. All right. Now dear students, we are in question number 5.5. The question is, under what condition this and this equation will have a common root? This is the third question of a common root. Okay. We assume that let the common root be alpha. Root be alpha. That means in place of x, if we put or substitute alpha, this equation will be satisfied. That means right hand side will be 0. Here also in place of x, if we put alpha, then right hand side will be 0. So what we get? So what we obtain in place of x, if we substitute alpha, we obtain a alpha square plus b alpha plus c is equal to 0. And here what we obtain? P alpha square q alpha plus r is equal to 0. Now here main thing is that we have to find the expression for alpha square and alpha. So how do we do that one? By cross multiplication method. What do we write? We write their coefficient and the constant. So let us see. Let us write the coefficients a, b and it is c, and here p, q, r. We started with a and p, we will close with a and p. These are the coefficients of alpha square, so let us find the expression for alpha square. And these are the coefficients of alpha, we will find the expression for alpha. Okay. We will find the coefficients of alpha square, so we shall hide them. We will do the cross multiplication here. So this is br minus qc, and here this part will fill up later on. Here these are the coefficients of alpha, so we will cross multiply here. This is cp minus this will multiply, this is ar or ra, and here this part how will fill up? This part is left, so this is aq minus bp. Same thing we will write here. What is that? aq minus bp. Done. Okay. What we'll do? We shall substitute the value of alpha from here to here. What is that? cp minus ar, that is cp minus ar by aq minus bp, its square, because square is there. br minus qc divided by aq minus bp. Okay, then its square. cp minus ar, its square, aq minus bp, its square, br minus qc, aq minus bp. Okay, then you see, my dear students, here the same term is there, this term and its square. Suppose x and x square, so if we remove them, only x will be removed. Again I am repeating, this is x square. You see, same term, its square only, its square. So the x and x square, if we remove, only x will be removed, it will be left here. Okay, so let us write the remaining term. It is cp minus ar, its square, cp minus ar, its square is written, and here what will be left? If we remove this square, aq minus bp, and here br minus qc, and this term is removed, so 1 will be left. Let us cross multiply. cp minus ar, if we do the cross multiplication, so what will be left? This into this, br minus qc, and there aq minus bp is left. So this is the condition of this given common root. All right, here we have taken number 6. Here the question is, under what condition one root of this is 4 times the other? So again the similar type, let the two roots be one, if one is alpha and next will be 4 times, means 4 alpha. Again apply the same thing, same concept, sum of the roots. So here let us apply sum of the roots, alpha plus 4 alpha. Sum of the roots is how much? Minus b by a. So this is alpha plus 4 alpha, 5 alpha, minus b by a. So it is, what is alpha? Minus b by 5a. Again another thing is there left. What is that? Product of the roots, is not it? So also product of the roots. The roots are alpha into 4 alpha. C by A 4 alpha square C by A alpha square. What is alpha? Minus B by 5A. Its square C by A. So this is 4 minus B whole square is B square. 5A whole square is 25 square C by A. Let us do this. Okay, 4B square let us keep here, and C by A into this 25A square, 25A square. Okay, if we simplify, A will get cancelled, 1A will be left, so this is 25AC. This is the given condition. Alright, now we are in the last one of question of 5. Question is, under what condition the sum of the roots of this is k times the difference? Alright, so before starting we need one formula, that is, suppose a plus b. In algebra you have got, what is the relation between a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square? Do you know? This is plus, we have to add 4ab. Okay, either this or let us see which formula we need, because whenever there is sum and difference is there, we use this formula. Okay, this is required, so initially you should know that. Okay, here let the two roots be, one is alpha and next is suppose beta. What is the sum of the roots? Minus b by a minus m by 1. So this is alpha plus beta is equal to m, and the product of the roots alpha beta is equal to c by a n by 1. Simply directly also you can write alpha beta is equal to n. Correct? Okay, now what is given? What is the given condition? Sum of the roots alpha plus beta is equal to how much? K times the difference. Okay, let us consider alpha is greater, alpha minus beta. Okay, so what is alpha plus beta is equal to m. This is k, alpha minus beta. So this is m by k, alpha minus beta. Okay, we have obtained this much. Now we have to solve for alpha and beta. Okay, what we know? We know, or we have alpha minus beta whole square equal to that formula. If we apply, okay, if we write plus, let us apply that one only. So it will be alpha minus beta whole square plus 4 alpha beta. Correct? Now what is alpha plus beta? M. So m square. What it is? It is, again you see, m by k, its square plus 4 alpha beta n. So if we write this condition, then also we will get this given condition, or the required condition. But here there is m square, here also there is m square. So let us simplify for m square. This is m square. Let us simplify m square by k square. This is m square by k square plus 4n. Okay, m square. Let us take LCM, k square. M square plus 4n k square. Let us cross multiply m square k square, m square into k square. This m square plus 4n k square. Let us take all m square in this side. M square k square minus m square 4n k square. So if we take m square common, k square, what will be left here? Minus 1 is equal to 4n square. If you write, this is the given condition. All right, if you want to show like this also, you can show this 4n k square divided by m square equal to this divided by this. It is multiplied, in this side it will be divided. So k square minus 1. This is also another condition. This is one condition, this is another condition. So whichever you want, you can write. Alright, now my beloved students, we have taken question number 6. Here let us read the question. If alpha and beta are the roots of this equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, then express the value of the following symmetric function in terms of the coefficients of a, b, c. That means we have to find the value of this in terms of a, b and c. Okay, so before solving it, we have to know one relation a square plus b square. What it is? It is a plus b whole square minus twice ab. We can derive it from this one only. That is a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square equal to a square plus b square plus twice ab. Okay, so here in this quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. What are the roots? So alpha and beta. So what is the sum of the roots? Alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a. And what is the product of the roots? C by a. Got it? We have to find its value. Okay, so therefore its value alpha square plus alpha beta plus beta square. Okay, let us express them, let us write them together. Alpha square plus beta square plus alpha beta. Okay, now what is a square plus b square? A plus b whole square minus twice ab. So this is alpha plus beta whole square minus twice alpha beta. This relation is for this expression, then plus alpha beta. If we simplify it further, it is alpha plus beta whole square. What is their sum? Minus twice alpha beta plus alpha beta is minus alpha beta. Correct? So let us substitute the values. Alpha plus beta is minus b by a. Minus b by a, its square, minus alpha beta is c by a. Let us simplify it. This is very simple now. This is b square by a square and this is c by a. Okay, what is the LCM? Let us take the LCM here. LCM is a square. A square. Okay, so a square by a square 1 into b square b square. A square by a is a into c, ac. So this is the value of this expression. Alright, now in second question we have to find the value of this. So here for this equation, quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, the roots are alpha and beta. So their sum is alpha plus beta is minus b by a, and the product of the roots is c by a. This thing is known to us. Okay, now we have to find its value. So let us write it down. Alpha plus twice beta into twice alpha plus beta. What will do? How will simplify? Let us multiply with alpha. Let us multiply the whole thing. Alpha into twice alpha is twice alpha square plus alpha into beta, alpha beta. Okay, with alpha we have multiplied. Then with twice beta, 2 beta into 2 alpha is 4 alpha beta. Next is 2 beta into beta, 2 beta square, 2 beta square. Okay, let us write them together. 2 alpha square plus 2 beta square plus, let us add them because they are like terms. What is their sum? 5 alpha beta. From these two let us take 2 common. So what will be left? Alpha square plus beta square, 5 alpha beta. At the end we will substitute the values. Now this is 2. What is a square plus b square? This expression let us put. It is so, according to that, this is alpha plus beta whole square minus twice alpha beta plus 5 alpha beta. This is twice alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 to the 4 alpha beta plus this 5 alpha beta. So this is twice alpha plus beta whole square. Their sum is plus alpha beta. Now 2 alpha plus beta is minus b by a whole square. Alpha plus beta, alpha beta, that is alpha into beta is, what is the value? C by a. Okay, let us simplify it here. It is 2 b square by a square then plus c by a. LCM, what is the LCM? Is a square. So this is 2b square plus a square by a is a into c, ac. This is the answer of it. Okay, now dear students, we have taken number 3. Just like last 2 questions, we have found the sum of the roots and the product of the roots of this quadratic equation. Okay, before finding it or before solving it, let us find what is alpha square plus beta square. Here, because we need it here. Here alpha square plus beta square equal to alpha plus beta whole square minus twice alpha beta. Correct? So its value is, it is minus b by a whole square minus twice, this is c by a. Correct? So this is b square by a square minus square minus b square, so it is plus b square minus twice c by a. Okay, let us take the LCM. LCM is a square. So it is a square by a square is 1 into b square minus a square by a is a into twice c is twice ac. Got it? Okay, next what do we have to find? We have to find it. So here alpha to the power 4 plus alpha square beta square plus beta to the power 4. We have to find its value. Alright, so this one whole square we write in this way, and this beta square whole square, that is beta to the power 4, and this one let us write alpha square plus beta square, alpha square into beta square. Now what is the formula for a square plus b square? This one, a plus b whole square, got it? Then minus twice ab, twice alpha square beta square. Okay, a square plus b square equal to a plus b whole square minus twice ab, then alpha square beta square is okay. Let us simplify it further, then we'll put its value. What is their sum minus, or if we simplify this, alpha square beta square, correct? So its value already we have found, it is b square minus twice ac by a square, its whole square, and alpha beta, that is c by a square. So this is, we'll simplify, this is b square minus twice ac square, this is a to the power 4 minus this is c square by a square. We'll take the LCM. What is the LCM? A to the power 4. Okay, it is b square minus twice ac whole square, then minus, here it is a to the power 4 by a to the power a square is a square into c square, a square c square. What we do, let us wrap it this here and we simplify it further. So this is equal to here a minus b whole square. So this is a square minus twice a b plus b square, then that minus a square c square, and here it is a to the power 4. We are very close to finish it. This is b to the power 4 minus 2 to the 4 a b, this is 2 to the 4 a b square c, then this is 4 a square c square minus a square c square a to the power 4. Okay, this will be the last line, b to the power 4 minus 4 a b square c. What is the difference? This is 3 a square c square divided by a to the power 4. Got it? Now this is the last bit of question number 6. Here, just like all the questions of this quadratic equation, okay, the sum of the roots and products of the roots are written. We have to find its value. So here alpha square by beta plus beta square by alpha. We take the LCM. We have to simplify, that's why we will take the LCM. Alpha beta, LCM is alpha beta. So alpha beta by beta is alpha into alpha square is alpha cube, plus alpha beta by alpha is beta, beta into beta square, beta cube. Okay, so what is the formula for a cube plus b cube? It is like that. We are not going to use that. It is a cube plus b cube, a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. This formula we have to use here. Alpha beta, alpha plus beta minus b by a cube minus 3, okay, into alpha beta is c by a, and it is alpha plus beta is minus b by a, alpha beta is c by a. Okay, so here we have to just simplify it. It is minus b cube by a cube minus b cube by a cube, then this is minus minus plus. Can you cancel? No, we cannot cancel. So it is 3bc by a square, and it is c by a. Here let us take the LCM. What is the LCM? A cube. A cube by a cube is 1. 1 into minus b cube plus a cube by a square is a into this. So this is 3abc, c by a. Okay, we will finish now. B cube plus 3abc a cube. As it is a divide, we have to take the reciprocal. So it will be a by c. So it is minus b cube plus 3abc. Okay, then this a cube will be cancelled by this a, so only a square is left, a square and this c. Okay, my dear beloved students, we are not doing question number 7 because there are so many questions and all are of same type. Okay, there the question is we have to frame a quadratic equation with the given roots. What you will do, you will find the sum of the roots and the product of the roots. Then just like question number 8 and 9, what we will do at the end, accordingly same procedure we have to do. And beside, some students are suggesting not to upload so many questions of this exercise because this chapter is very easy for in all the students, that's why. Okay, so directly, as the chapter is long, as the exercise is long, so I am directly skipping that question number 7 because that is too lengthy. Okay, but it is easy. Here you will see the procedure what we do in question number 8 and 9. Same thing you will repeat in question number 7. Okay, now let us read the question. If a square equal to this and b square equal to this, where a and b are not equal, then find the quadratic equation whose roots are a by b and b by a. Alright, now here first of all we have to know how to frame a quadratic equation. A quadratic equation we can frame like this: x square minus sum of the roots into x plus product of the roots equal to 0, or it is like this: x square minus sum of the roots into x plus product of the roots equal to 0. This is the formation of this is the equation or the formula, you can say, that how to frame a quadratic equation when this given roots, two roots are given, or the sum of the roots and the product of the roots are given. Okay, now here what is the this question is based on a specific conception. What is that? Suppose let us take a quadratic equation. Suppose x square minus 3x plus 2 equal to 0. Here if you solve it, there are two roots, x equal to 1 or 2. Okay, now if we put x equal to 1, what is the quadratic equation? 1 square minus 3 into 1 plus 2 equal to 0. If we put in place of x, if we put x equal to 2, how we obtain the quadratic equation? 2 square minus 3 into 2 plus 2 equal to 0. Now if we get this equal to 0 or this equal to 0, then we can say that, okay, these are of the same pattern. We can say that this is the quadratic equation, these are the roots of quadratic equation x square minus 3x plus 2 equal to 0, because they are satisfied. If we put in place of x 1 or in place of x if we put 2, then the result is 0. You can check 1 square is 1 minus 3 plus 2, 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 minus 3 is 0. Okay, and beside this what we obtain? If this is satisfied, this equal to 0, same pattern you see, 1 square, 2 square, minus 3 into 1, minus 3 into 2, plus 2, plus 2. We can say that 1 and 2 are the roots of this quadratic equation. I repeat what I said. If here we have put 1 and we have put 2 in the same pattern, we can say that 1 and 2 are the roots of this quadratic equation. So here you see, here what we have, a square equal to 5a minus 3. So what we obtain? A square minus 5a plus 3 equal to 0. Also from the second one what we obtain? B square equal to 5b minus 3, b square minus 5b plus 3 is equal to 0. Same thing, isn't it? Here 1 square minus 3 into 1 plus 2 equal to 0. Here also a square minus 5a plus 3, b square minus 5b, pattern is same. So we can say that, so here just like this, 1 and 2 are roots of which one? This one. X in place of 1, let us put x square minus 3x plus 2 equal to 0. So here, therefore, or so, a and b are roots of the quadratic equation is here x square minus 5x plus 3 equal to 0, or x square minus 5x plus 3 equal to 0. So a and b are the roots of this quadratic equation. So here, as a and b are the roots, so let us find what is the sum of the roots. Sum of the roots is, a and b are the roots, so sum of the roots is a plus b is minus b by a. What is b? B by a, 1, so it is 5. What is the product of the roots? C by a, 3 by 1. 3 by 1 is 3. Now we have to frame a quadratic equation whose roots are this. So now let us find, for the required quadratic equation, let us find the sum of the roots. Sum of roots, it is a by b and b by a. Let us find take the LCM. What is the LCM? AB, so that is a square plus b square Okay, now what is the formula for a square plus b square? You know it. It is a plus b whole square minus twice ab into, sorry, divided by ab. Now let us wrap this part. So next let us substitute the value here. Okay, what is a plus b? A plus b is 5, so this is 5 square minus 2 into, what is ab? Ab is 3, so 2 into 3, and here it is ab is again 3. So let us simplify. This is 25 minus 6 by 3, this is 19 by 3. Then product of roots. These are for the required quadratic equation. What are the roots? A by b into b by a. They will get cancelled, equal to 1. So the required quadratic equation is x square minus sum of the roots. What is the sum of the roots? 19 by 3 into x plus product of the roots equal to 0. Let us take the LCM. What is the LCM? 3. So it is 3x square minus 19x plus 3 equal to 0. Let us cross multiply. So this is our required quadratic equation. Have you understood? Then let us read question number 9. If p and q are the roots of this quadratic equation, then find the quadratic equation having the roots this and this. Okay, here the quadratic equation. What is the given quadratic equation? 3x square plus 6x plus 2 equal to 0. What are the roots given? P and q. So therefore, let us find p plus q is minus b by a. Minus b by a. So this is minus 2. What is the product of the roots? C by a. C by a. This is 2 by 3. Okay. Now for the required quadratic equation, these are the two roots. Okay. So here for the required quadratic equation, what is the format? X square minus sum of the roots into x plus product of the roots equal to 0. So let us find the sum of the roots. Sum of roots for the required quadratic equation. Minus p square by q plus minus q square by p. What is the LCM? pq. pq by q is p into minus p square minus p cube plus minus minus. pq by p is q into q square, q cube. Let us take minus common. p cube plus q cube. pq minus. Okay. Now a cube plus b cube. Here p cube plus q cube. A plus b. So let us write. What is the formula I am writing here? If you have confusion, a cube plus b cube is a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. Got it? So let us write. So that is p plus q whole cube minus 3p cube into p plus q. According to that formula we have written here. Alright, then in the denominator there is pq minus. Okay, what is p plus q? It is minus 2. Minus 2 cube minus 3 into pq is 2 by 3. P plus q is minus 2. pq is 2 by 3. Let us simplify it. So it is minus 2 cube is how much? Minus 8. Then this minus plus 3 will get cancelled. 2 2 is 4. 2 by 3 minus. Then what will write? Minus 8 plus 4 is minus 4. 2 by 3. This is plus 4. And here this will get the reciprocal. 3 by 2. 2 3 is 6. So sum of the roots is 6. Then product of the roots. Product of roots. Let us multiply these two. Minus, what is that? P square by q into minus q square by p. Q square by p. First of all, minus is plus. P will get cancelled. 1 p will be left. Q square by q is q. Okay, so what is the value of pq? pq is 2 by 3. Thus we have obtained that sum of the roots, for the required quadratic equation, sum of the roots is 6 and the product of the roots is 2 by 3. That means sum we have obtained 6 and product we have obtained 2 by 3. Okay, now just let us frame the quadratic equation. Dear students, thus you can see that here already we have found that for the required quadratic equation, this is the sum of the roots and this is the product of the roots. Now let us frame the equation. So the required quadratic equation is, in short I am writing x square minus sum of roots into x plus product of roots equal to 0. So x square minus sum of the roots is 6x plus product of the roots is 2 by 3 is equal to 0. Then what is left? We'll take the LCM to simplify. 3 into x square, 3x square, 3 6 18x, then plus 2 equal to 0. Let us do the cross multiplication. Here it is 1, this into 1 is in this same thing, 0 into 3 is 0. 3x square minus 18x plus 2 is equal to 0. Have you understood? Now we have taken question number 10. Let us read the question. If 4 is the root of this quadratic equation and the roots of this equation are equal, then find the value of b. Okay, this value of b we have to find out. Yeah, dear students, what is the root of this? It is 4. Since 4 is a root of this x square, this quadratic equation, x square plus ax plus 8 equal to 0, it means here one value of x is 4. Okay, so what we get if we put x equal to 4, this equation will be satisfied, that is right hand side will be 0. So let us put that 4 square plus a into 4 plus 8 is equal to 0. So we have got an equation which here only the variable is a. Okay, that means this value of a we have to find out. This is 16 plus 4a plus 8 is equal to 0. It has only one variable. Okay, so this is actually linear equation in one variable. We can easily solve. Now 16 plus 8 is 24 plus 4a is equal to 0. So this is 4a is equal to minus 24 then. So a equal to how much? Minus 24 by 4. How much will get? A equal to, we will get minus 6. Okay. Now in the second equation, what is the condition given? The roots are equal. So again, for the equation, what is the equation now? X square. Then in place of a, what we can substitute? Minus 6. That is minus 6x plus b equal to 0. The roots are equal. Now what is the condition that the roots are equal? In that, if the roots are equal, we know that discriminant is equal to 0. So d is equal to 0. Now what is the expression for d? It is b square minus 4ac is equal to, this is the expression. But dear student, do not put like this because already it is b. Okay, so we cannot put. Okay, if you want to put, you can put in the capital letter. So just we shall write b square. B means here b square, 6 minus 6, b square minus 4. A means 1. What is c? C is b is equal to 0. Okay, if you want to put d equal to b square minus 4ac, you put like this, d equal to 0. So next time you can write, if you want to put, it will be b square minus 4ac equal to 0, all in block letter or capital letter. Okay, so this is 36 minus 4b is equal to 0. So let us simplify further. So minus 4b is in this side and it is plus 36 on the other side, minus 36. Thus we can easily find the value of b. So b will be minus 36 divided by minus 4. How much it is? B is equal to 9. Therefore required value of b is equal to 9. Is it okay? Then we have taken question number 11. Let us read the question again. If alpha be a root of this equation, this quadratic equation, then show that other root is this. One root is alpha, we have to show that another root is 4 alpha cube minus 3 alpha. Okay, what is the quadratic equation here? The quadratic equation 4x square plus twice x minus 1 is equal to 0. We want to solve it. That means we have to find the value of x. Here we cannot solve it by the method called factorization. So what we have to do, we will apply the quadratic equation formula. So x equal to minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac divided by twice a, 2 into a. Okay, so minus 2 plus minus, this is 4 plus 16 by 8, minus 2 plus minus, this is 20 by 8, minus 2 plus minus, this is 20. If we do the prime factorization, 2, 10, 2, 5. So this 2 will come out from under the square root, 2 root 5 by 8. If we take 2 common from here, let us take 2 common, so what will be left? Minus 1 plus minus root 5 by 8 divided by 4. So these are the 2 roots. Now the 2 roots are, it is a quadratic equation, so it should have 2 roots. Let alpha, there are 2 roots, alpha, one root is alpha plus root 5 by 4 and another root be beta. Okay, but you see, one root is minus 1 plus root 5 by 4 and another root. It is a quadratic equation. Generally we consider 2 roots, alpha and beta, in this way only. So what will be beta? Minus 1 minus root 5 by 4. This is another root. But what is the question? Question is, one root is alpha taken, another root is this one. That means we have to show that beta equal this. That it means we have to show that beta, this beta means that one or that is equal to beta, 4 alpha cube minus 3 alpha. Okay, so what we'll do next, let us find its value. Let us find what is 4 alpha cube minus 3 alpha. Okay, if this is equal to this one or beta, then we can say that other root is that one also, that root only. Okay, so let us find out its value. So now what it is? 4 alpha cube minus 3 alpha. 4, what is alpha? Alpha is this expression, minus 1 plus root 5 by 4. Minus 1 plus root 5 by 4. Root 5 by 4. Its cube we have to take. Then minus 3 alpha. What is alpha? This one we have written already. Root 5 divided by 4. Now 4 into, this is of the form a plus b whole cube. So what is a plus b whole cube? It is a cube plus 3 a square b plus 3 a b square plus b cube. Okay, divided by 4 cube is how much? 64. Then minus 3. Okay, let us multiply. All right, let us multiply this 3 into this, minus 3, then plus 3 root 5 by 4. This is taken. Okay, now 4 into 64, if you cancel, this is 16. So what it is? Minus 1 cube is minus 1, then plus minus 1 square is 1. 1 into 3, 3 root 5. This is 3 root 5. Plus minus minus. Then root 5 square is how much? 5. So 3 5 is 15. Plus root 5 cube is there. Means root 5 into root 5 into root 5. So from these two we get 5 root 5. This is 5 root 5 divided by 16. Minus 3 plus 3 root 5 by 4. Okay, so let us simplify it a little bit. Minus 1 minus 15 is how much? Minus 16. 3 plus 5, 8 root 5 by 16. Then minus 3 plus 3 root 5 by 4. Let us take LCM. What is the LCM? 16. Okay, 16 out of 4 and 16, LCM 16. So this is same thing, minus 16 plus 8 root 5, then minus, as minus is there, so we have to take the help of a bracket. So this is 16 by 4 is 4 into this, so 4 into this, minus 3 plus 3 root 5. Is it okay? Now let us wrap this part. Let us simplify it further. Now dear students, let us continue. Here we have written what we have assumed. Actually alpha equal to this much and beta equal to this much we have assumed, we have written somewhere here. Now what we are finding, this is the expression for this 4 alpha cube minus 3 alpha. Okay, let us simplify it further. This is 16. So what it is? Minus 16 plus 8 root 5. Alright, then minus minus plus 12, then minus plus minus 4 3 is 12 root 5. Okay, so this is minus 16 plus 12 is minus 16 plus 12 is minus 4, and this minus this is minus 4 root 5 divided by 16. We have to show that this equal to beta, that means minus must be there. So let us take 4 common. So minus 1 minus root 5 by 16. This 4 we have cancelled 16 by 4, so 4 will be left here. Minus 1 minus root 5 by 4. What do you see? Same thing, isn't it? So that means beta. So we can write, so other root is that one, 4 alpha cube minus 3 alpha. Is it okay?